Hey parents, today we're going to discuss how do we teach our children how to accept being told no with dignity. You know, None of us like being told no. I don't like it any more than any child likes it because we want what we want. But we have to teach our children how to maintain their honor even when they're disappointed. And the way we do that is we actually tell our children exactly how we want them to respond. For instance, when you're in the store and your child says, "Mom, Dad, can I have a piece of candy?" And you say, "Oh, no, honey, not right now." What do you want your kids to do? Do you want them to pout, cry, scream, go ask the other parent, roll their eyes, slam a door, or do you want them to maintain their honor? Teach them the way you respond to mom or dad or a teacher, someone in authority saying no is yes, ma'am, or no, sir, or yes, sir, thank you for thinking about it, or yes, mom, or yes, dad, thank you for thinking about it. Parents, when you teach your children how to maintain their honor, even when they're disappointed, you will be building your children up and you will be giving them the self confidence and the self worth that they so desire.